Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Dr. Jessica Katanga, and in today's video we are doing a Gombe walkthrough because everybody's asking me like, where are you staying? Is it a village? Is it a town? And I don't exactly know how to like explain it. So let's walk and see what Gombe has to offer. So right now we're at our hospital accommodation, and we're just going to walk to the end of this like compound, and I'll show you where the secondary school and the hospital are. To see as we're walking through, we have the goats, we have the chickens or the hens. What is that, chicken or a hen? I don't know.
It's one of the two.
We have this very beautiful cockerel
It's
here.
hen.
Yeah.
And go inside you.
Construction. And Trump has been sitting there for ages, so I don't know who it belongs to. And so this is the end of our compound. And if you go up the hill, that will be Gombe SS, so Gombe Secondary School. And right opposite us, and then right opposite us, as we've just left the compound, is the General Hospital. And we're going to keep walking down, and I'm going to show you where we buy our food from. So local food and a bit more of like a supermarket, you could say, I guess. And they call it the trading center here.
Oh yes, and then here.
And here we have some traditional, no, these are not traditional medicines.
They are.
Say that, no.
Yeah, herbal
These
body
are
cleaner.
alternative medicines.
Okay, hotel.
Being,
Yeah, well, that's the mosque now.
yeah, this is the mosque right here. And in Gombe, it's a mostly Muslim population. Yeah, so we're about to enter the TC, that stands for Trading Center, and today is a Thursday. So on Thursday evening, that's when it's very busy. Everybody's probably comes in from other like neighboring districts to sell their wares and stuff. So yeah, just hold on because it's going to be very busy, a little bit overstimulating, but we can get through it. That's the ambulance.
On a cup shop.
Christmas, yeah, I'm just looking to see what the motive is for
It
Christmas.
says Tondeka Ewaka Christmas store. It means Ewaka, don't leave me home.
Okay.
Christmas. Kirida Muchisa, we go to the thingy, to the pitch, the football pitch.
Okay.
That's where it's happening.
So the bus stop, or how we call buses here, is taxis. We'll cross the road, be careful, it's the crossing. And we can see that there's lots of borders as well.
We're going to the supermarket. Also, like we might, so it's going to be quite hard because I'm going to be avoiding getting faces.
Okay, so like a clothes shop.
So that's a clothes shop.
And then the butchers.
Where is the butcher?
The butchers are just there.
Okay, so I'm gonna
USB
avoid
one.
taking, yeah, so you can't see pictures.
Then this is where we go for stationery.
Yeah, the printings.
Okay, and then here we have like where we go to buy maybe like milk, toilet paper, powdered milk, toilet paper, butter, a bit more of the luxury items, tea bags and coffee and things. Okay, here, yeah, like cakes and stuff like that, bread.
It's like our local supermarket.
Yeah. Spaghetti, rice.
Yeah, and the Gombe supermarket.
Yeah, Gombe supermarket, I'll have you know. So we've gone this way, and sometimes if I'm being really adventurous, then I will one or two times when I was trying to get my 10k steps in, I walked all the way down that way, and it's just kind of like grass and trees and forest and things like that.
Very therapeutic.
Very therapeutic, very expansive. And now let's go back that direction to show you the bulk of the supermarket. We're going to get to the place where we buy our Rolexes from. And that is the pharmacy where you can get... This is where we buy Rolex from. And some of you will know that Rolex is a popular Ugandan street food, and it consists of chapati, egg or omelette rolled in chapati. And
popcorn, and
People are accusing us of journalists. Should you go and say hi to our judge?
so that's where we get passion juice from, and it's like fresh.
It's very nice fresh juice there.
My favorite judger in this show. This is where we buy like our homewares from, so like buckets and basins and things. What's a picture? Okay, we'll go straight.
We'll give you a picture. Just get more cover.
Like buckets and basins and cups and just little, plastic things that we need. And the judge is very nice in there. And then he's running a picture as well. So that's the mshkaki stand. Are you able to see it like from this view, like us walking here, or do you have to walk on the main road? Is it fine? Market day today, then there's even more clothes that are being sold, so you can see it all here.
Okay. A quick one.
Okay. Lovely mangoes.
Oh, those are mangoes.
Okay, so as you can see, there is a lot going on in the market. But yeah, everybody just selling their things. And this is just the main road, and we keep on going. Oh, this is not actually the market yet, it's still the TC, and we'll get to the market. And just here, this one of the nice clothes shops. And that's in Senene, which is grasshoppers. Now we're about to enter the market where we buy our fruit and veg. So let's just turn in and go there and see if we can see any of our like usual sellers, our favorite sellers. Say hi from Gombe. And then this is pancake, which is another traditional Ugandan meal, and it's made out of flour, sugar, and banana. Flour and banana.
Banana, yeah, no sugar. Usually no sugar.
Talk about it.
Okay, so this is mshaki, which is like popular food. Mochomo, okay, fine. Mochomo in Uganda, mshaki is really, and it's a popular roadside snack again, of grilled meat. Thank you. And then this is the fruit and veg. I don't know if the judge will be okay with getting filmed. We somehow put a finger on the roads or on pavement. So just
And pedestrian. I still have that video from when we first came and we were very shocked.
we were so shocked that they were on the road. I mean, like on the streets, but now it's just
Yeah, on the pavement. So now we just used. We're the champions. What is it? Okay. Our favorite seller. The video. Almost on the viewer say that.
Yeah, favorite seller.
Yeah, very outspoken.
so. This is a very interesting like mushroom, ubutiko, and it like adds a lot of nutrients to your food and everything like that. That's okra. This is hibiscus.
Yeah, hibiscus very good.
Fresh cinnamon. More of the mushrooms for pregnant women to bite during pregnancy. And then that is a big with iron deficiencies, and then that's the salt that you put into your stew to make it softer.
Yeah.
Nakati, very nice. We had that earlier today. They're very lovely. There's a little flower in the it's like kale, very leafy green.
Okay,
Those are the
so
banana leaves.
oh yes, and then the banana leaves that you can use to serve matoke and to make
Luombo.
luombo.
Okay, this is cassava. But yeah.
This is a cassava. Omulabye.
Mulabi. Mulabi.
Omulabye.
Very nice.
Jaja freedom walima muwogo.
Jaja ni?
Jaja freedom.
Jaja freedom. Je baleko Jaja freedom.
Selector.
Okay. It looks like it's better lighting this way for some reason. I'm not sure. But it's scary, like, oh, this is the matoke.
Oh, and this is matoke. So that was matoke, which is a very
That is matoke.
traditional food. Okay.
Kale, nonsonyiwa fruit sauce ndabikidde bulungi. Nzikwata. Okay.
And sometimes I've gone for my 10K steps that way, and for my runs as well. So I'll go down there, then that way. There's like a large roundabout down that way. It's kind of getting dark now, so I will show you quickly behind this place where we go. Actually, yeah, the restaurants. That will be a good thing to show.
Just
Yes, hello. So now we're in the back roads and we're blocking traffic.
Oh, you look good here.
Yeah. Okay, so this is like, I'm going to show you the restaurant. So where we sometimes go to eat food.
Salaam alaikum.
Okay, that's the hair salon that I was going to.
Jessica's hair salon. There, right there. Jabaleko, the most beautiful lady in Gombe.
There's another mosque, and then that's a restaurant for like fast food, so like chicken chips, snacks type thing over there.
And that's the mosque.
And then I'm going to show you where we buy milk from. So it's fresh milk, fresh like raw milk. So you have to boil it first before you consume it. So that's just here. Fresh dairy.
Madu fresh dairy, that's what you call it. Madu.
From Madu. And I went there.
It's from Madu, I went for the party. For the youth, it was a youth event, isn't it?
Yeah.
I wanted to get, because it's called yummy ice cream. So it's got a lotion, tasty, and delicious. That's why I usually have my ice cream. Quite a bit. Jebale possible.
And then that's another clothes shop. That's a really nice stuff. So and then this is some pool. Everybody out. Very fun. So we'll go inside the restaurant just so you can see what the layout of these restaurants are like.
So those of Jones will know where to come.
So this is Tamil catering restaurant. Some Ugandan Afrobeats in the background. They serve really nice. What do we have? Benyeba with fish, basted fish, and matoke and rice and yeah, monda, everything.
So your hands is on.
And then this is where we withdraw like money from. Yes, this is where we withdraw money from. So it's giving me grief. So here you withdraw your money through your mobile, not really a credit card. And you can see that we've made it in a loop. We're back to the road of where our house, the hospital, and Gombe SS is.
That has been the tour of Gombe, a little walkthrough. I hope that gives you a bit of an idea of where I've been living for the past 3 months. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you like it. Comment below any questions that you have, and I'll see you in the next one.
Merhaba.
Musula Burundi.